Parcel airdrop bot. Be eligible for parcel airdrop. What can this bot do? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel.
Please stop.
Today, I will share with you this, I think, one of the good airdrop, the parcel airdrop. So what is parcel airdrop? Parcel is the governance token of the parcel protocol with the primary aim of progressively decentralizing the platform's product ecosystem. Parcel airdrop will open the final round and will end on July 25. Distribution of token will go live on July 27. Okay, so we'll put my link in the description, and you have to try this airdrop. No, you don't have to do something or anything like tapping or upgrading, but you have to sign up the link in the Telegram, then use your link to get a referral, so that your referral will get also the parcel airdrop. No, so one parcel is 0.44, so earn free 900 parcel. That is $430 for completing all the tasks. Then earn 10 parcel, $4.14 for every each referral. No, the mandatory airdrop rules. You have to join the Telegram channel, join the Telegram group, then follow the airdrop channel. So if you can complete the task, then click continue, then proceed. No, so this is my account. So you have already receiving my congratulations, you have done all the airdrop tasks, 944 parcel. So this is my link, so I will put in the description. You have to do to earn 944 parcel. Remember, in July 25 or 26, that is the date for the airdrop. You must not leave the channel till airdrop ends to avoid being disqualified. If you submit wrong data, then you can start the bot by pressing or click the start. Okay, so I hope you learn something in this video, but always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is educational purpose only. Always do research before joining any free airdrop or any opportunity in the Telegram. Okay, so I hope you learn something. Then don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course always hit the notification bell for more videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Thank you, and always have a good day ahead of us.